How to log into the AliExpress app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into the AliExpress application on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to log into the AliExpress application on your iPad, it's actually quite very simple to do that, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the AliExpress application here. And once you launch the AliExpress app, you will see this type of interface where you can directly go ahead and then basically tap the select country or region, tap on continue. Now right here, if you look closely, you're gonna see this type of interface. So let me just slant it a little bit at the bottom. At the very bottom of the screen you'll find the sign in option, so you can tap the sign in option here. Now there are numerous ways to sign in. You can actually sign in using a Google, Apple or Facebook account and then tap the more options here. As you do that, you should be able to go ahead and then also log in with whatever else you prefer, or you can enter your email address, tap and continue, and successfully log in to your AliExpress account. This way you will be able to log into AliExpress. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.